So I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 69. So I'll give you some information regarding this case and which Victoria scammers helped Chembu scammers what do you call it? Openly. I'll give you this. So this portable hard disk, I bought it somewhere in 2010 while leaving the institute. So this portable hard disk till 2010 it holded my institute work. Huh? It had all the institute work and somewhere in 2013 my shooting footages were there, more were there, and my personal images from Pune. So one of the cellular, the Nokia phone, small phone, which my sister gave it to the neighbor, and the neighbor is involved in a girl's suicide. The girl was accused of theft, and that neighbor tortured her until she committed suicide. This is a case from Ullasnagar. So that small Nokia phone is given to her by my sister to use it. Nokia cell while I was in institute. So while I was in institute and in those days, while I was using those cell phones, so I had an image of this. Hmm? So this image is also line tested like the other animated papers somewhere in 24/7 2009 line tested like animated data. So uh, in the portable hard disk, I found that the metadata of this image shows something else. Hearing this back, kind of what do you call it? Shows something else. The configuration, not configuration. What do you call it? The properties. In properties, I came to know. So the matter is, uh, this neither this sketch was made, neither that phone was taken, Nokia phone. And so it's a metadata forgery. So I'll give you the complete scene of this. So what is line testing? So line testing is, you see these frames. I captured these frames, and then I made this huh, a walk. Then it's a raddi to me. It's a raddi to me now. But same as those animated papers which were kept in the attic, 2022, it disappeared. While I came to Giardino, while I was living there. So those animated papers disappeared. Hearing this back. So, but that's the raddi. But in those animated papers, I used this color pencils for basic form of animation, and these colors in a, what do you call it, art material called stunts. So, and it also holds my professor's name at the end of portfolio. Special thanks to Vishal Sapkar, which edited my all the what do you call it, my portfolio, and Bappaditya Banerjee, which taught me the animation in filmmaking from 2008 till 2010, and he also made my sketch, which was also in the portable hard disk. What do you call it? This images taken from Nokia phone. And so the metadata of this image is a metadata forgery which I found. So scammers wanted to portray this way. And while I was checking my personal images, Victoria people put a parameter first in the portable hard disk. In this, Victoria people put a parameter first in the portable hard disk, and then uh, before that, they stole the data in 2022, deleted the data from the portable hard disk because I kept it there. There were physical access in GRDNO. So Victoria people copied and deleted the data. Then what do you call it? They put on a parameter in 4th of December 2023. Then they smashed it 2024. And when I gave it to the local shop, they must have done physical access and they must have done something. So they desperately wanted this, and they helped Chembur scammers in every way. I repeat it again. Victoria scammers helped Chembur scammers in every way to weaken the case. Victoria scammers helped the Chembur scammers in every way to weaken the case. Smashing of portable, deletion of data, portable parameter, and Dell smash too. So you get this part. When this sketch was not even made and the cellular was not even bought, this image was taken. This image, how could this be? But the metadata shows this way, because it's a metadata forgery. So if the image is there, you will get this date after 24/7/2009. If you get a metadata properly checked of that image, you will get that thing. And these images also, the Nokia phone, also my professor made my sketch. My family images, which the parameter was put while I was checking it in Victoria, they did this. And the animated paper which they stole is a raddi like this. Once the line testing is done, when the line testing is done, it's a raddi to me. And the treatment on those papers, basic form which I did, color pencil are this, and these are the crayons which I use. So this stupid fox, they stole raddi and they smashed portable after stealing data. And the data is line tested, and the data is from 2008 till 2010. How old were they? And the data is viral in Chembur before coming here. So get the metadata forgery, that image, and look, the cell phone is not taken, the sketch is not made, and the image is there. How it's possible? So there is a metadata forgery, and they stole raddi, nothing else but raddi, those animated papers from the attic, from my Chembur house, where the paying guest stays. Used to stay, we sold that part now. And look, it's right in front of everyone what they did. And this what colors are here. They what do you call it? They smashed the portable just to hide those evidences. So when I gave recovery of data to the local shop over here, scammers must have contacted that local shop and must have taken this portable hard disk and must have played their tricks. Whatever their tricks did, like the metadata forgery did, they must have done something, right, to defame me. But it got reversed because during those 10 to 12 days, my portable hard disk, I gave it for recovery of data, and my family images are out there in the open, which were in the portable, because the data is viral. So that's why I don't like Victoria scammers, because they help Chembur scammers in every way to weaken the case. Weaken the case. They helped Chembur scammers in every way. Deletion of data, portable hard disk smash, Dell smash. They helped Chembur scammers in every way to weaken the case, just because they got the animated papers and must have got the original drives, which I know the history. Already Melo main pe English and everything. So get the metadata forgery, get this information. I hope it reaches judge.